Y'all, welcome back to Mijah Myda Plus One. It's your girl Mijah J, back at it again with another video. As you can see from the title below, we're about to fix up my room. So this video is sponsored today by Nike Swim. This is actually a swimsuit, but the style and idea is basically that you can wear out in the streets and at the beach, honey. So peep the fit, peep the fit. It's cute, it's smooth. Let's get into the video. So we're in Home Depot looking for paint. Okay, y'all. So we just got back from the store. I went to Home Depot and I got some things from Ross and Goodwill. So let's try and decorate this room, okay? Alright, y'all, so me again. Right now, Issa is at her other grandparents' house. So I am doing the room. Right now, I'm disassembling the bed frame, as you can see right here. If it's outdated, gotta go. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to paint this wall behind me because it's purple. And then this wall, so they're both gonna be white. And this wall and that wall is already gray, as you can see. So that, hopefully it'll dry up and I can like start decorating. So I'll see you soon. Good morning, people. So it is me back at it again. I'm trying to finish this video. Let me just show you guys what I've done so far. Hung up this little string thing above my bed. Got the silk pillow sheet so it doesn't pull my hair. My do-rag be falling off. And then I painted this wall white. And then inside of it is basically all of the toys for my daughter. So her toys go in here. So when I took off part of my bed, I actually had 3 little wooden pieces. So I kind of left that. These are all of our clothes because, well, for one, I have no room because those are more clothes up here. Clothes, nail polish, head pillow, like neck pillow for the flights. Oh, my cousin made this for me, actually. Shout out you, Debbie, baby, I'll link it. But yeah, so because we have all this in here, I literally have no space for my clothes. That's okay. I have this little artwork piece that I've done, so I'm thinking maybe right here, like put this, but I'm gonna need like 2 more, so, sorry, my nose is itchy. So I need to find like 2 more pieces, or I need to create 2 pieces, I don't know. Hey y'all, so we went shopping again.
What'd you get?
And I got a bunch of plants. I just spent $30 on plants. But I got like bamboo, aloe, all kinds of cute stuff. And then some art for the baby. And then just a bunch of stuff. Like I showed y'all the mat. But yeah, we went to Five Below, Ross, Lowe's, and Marshall's.
Yep.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Back at it again, day what, like 3? I don't know, but I just went to Goodwill again and Ross. I went to Ross for my mom, like for her work, but I found this thing. How cute is this? And it's made in India, so I'm gonna hang it. Ooh, maybe right there. That'd be pretty in that little corner. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I found that at Ross and it was $5. And then we went to Goodwill to like find a cloth for this, but instead, I found a table for $15 US. So I'm gonna put this table over there in place of those 2 janky looking tables. And then I should be done with the room and I will do a real tour of it. Okay, stay tuned, y'all. Bye. candles, something that I need to like sponsor, which is that one, water, because my daughter's always thirsty. I got plants, I need this out of the way, Air Force coin, glasses, and then right here is my bed. So here's my bed. My mom got this sheet from, I'm not sure, like Ross or something a while back. I just got these from like a Family Dollar store because I like satin sheets for my pillows. But there's extra protection when the do-rag comes off. That's Issa's. That's my plant I've had since my old apartment, my old house. So this is my first wall. So I did everything in sections. So this is the first one. And then in front is a bunch of shoes. And the shoes wrap and wrap and wrap. And then it goes to my second wall. So again, my plant. I bought that at Marshall's. And there's some paintings that I've done with my daughter, my sister. These are actually sand from the Sahara Desert. I need to give those away to people though. My family. Some artwork that I did with Ease. And I bought this from Ross today from India. It's so pretty. Yeah, I've had that light, just some pencils and stuff, myself. Oh, me again. Oh, here's bamboo. My Mac. And this is something that I need to promote. So shout out to Casey Lee. And I'll actually link this below, but it's a period box. So every month you get like new stuff in this box, and I love it. It's the November box. Oh, there's Issa's globe, my old license. Oh, this is just like some stuff I hooked up because I need bags. So this is from Bali, Pepito store. It's like Publix. I had my Nike swim bag, who this video is sponsored by. Backpack. I bought this at Ross, Marshall's, I'm not sure. Fourth wall. TV. Oh, and then I have these. That's actually like a bunch of clothes, but I had this blanket that was actually on the bed, and I liked it right here. It kind of made it a vibe. Laundry basket. I was gonna get a new one, but whatever. I'm not wasting money on that. Issa drew this painting and this, and I just made it into a sunflower kind of thing. Yeah, we're not the best painters, but it's fun. And then here's just some letters from basic training from my mom and my brother, and then our new cards, Mijah +1, and then baby Issa from like last year. This is from Thailand, Panama, China Airlines, and then it's like a letter from my dad from basic. Yeah. Oh, and then on the mirror, I have more lights because who doesn't need lights? And yeah, my mirror is super dirty, but like it's a life with me and children. But yeah, this is probably my favorite part of the room. Like, it's such a vibe. And then I've got like my carpet on the floor. That's from my old apartment. A shoe banner on it. And yeah. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and this back of me right here. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like button. And I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.